actually at the end of the day, hence all sweaty, but we were able to frame out not one, not two, but 3 windows. I got all the trimming done with my dad today, so you're gonna see that and some roofing.
We got Harrington up on the roof. He's been taking shingles off so we can start building that cricket that comes out over the top, and that way we can start sanding floors in here because we got to get that finished. It is roofing day, and we're gonna start right here on this cricket because right here I have to pull some roof off over this way and build out. So we're gonna start here. We've got clear skies for the next few days. Hopefully we can get this done quick and get a roof back on here. But Harrington is gonna be peeling this tar paper off for the foreseeable future. He's super excited. I did this for a summer down in Tucson and it's pretty miserable work. So we're gonna try to get it done before it gets to be 100 out here. So Jamie and her dad trimmed out this window here. What?
It was not level. I had to use my next level carpentry skills. It's gonna take a lot of caulking, a little Bondo, it'll be fine.
And a little bit of paint, it'll be okay.
Yeah.
It's fun watching Jamie work with her dad.
All I am is a tool handler.
Yeah, sure.
She refuses to wear a vest, a tool pouch.
Well, if I wear a tool pouch, what are you gonna do?
Well, we'll work. I'll be working over here.
Deb always films me at the part where I'm not doing good work.
What do you mean? You gotta get that trim out. That's all the work you need to do.
You grab this end. See if it fits. We're in.
All right, look at that.
Oh, it's not even over here because this part comes out.
Do you need to just cut a little off with the jig?
Yeah, you want to mark that down?
There's your finished cut right there.
Yeah.
That's what you need out of it. This way and this way.
Oh, you just want me to notch it?
Yeah, the width of this, which is maybe a 3/8.
Okay.
That's what has to come out of there. Well, is it getting it this tight?
It's too tight.
That's all you
We
need.
need, but I think this needs to be cut back a little bit more, so it can be flush there, and then this will be closer to the wall here.
We've got an opening right there. It's already against the wall over here.
Oh, so I need to cut it more this
Well,
way, or just call it good.
well, do you want to caulk all the rest of it?
Yeah.
That's all you need to do.
All right, we got Jack Sr. over here with the spackle, fixing my slightly crooked cuts. Was it me or the wall, Dad?
Huh?
Was that me or the wall?
Okay.
You're not gonna say he's gonna plead the fifth. That's all right. Usually we use caulking, but in this case we're using a little lightweight, then some caulking. But look at this window. We're getting there. And Zeb's coming with a new piece. He may be sad he decided to make all these trimmer pieces because he's got to cut them special every time.
It's all right.
It's all right?
Good.
It looks good?
Yep.
All right, we're getting back to work here. We finished this window right here. And don't mind the fancy curtain. This is the last window to trim out. It's gonna be hot because the sun's shining in it, so we've been putting it off, but gotta get it done. Got our sill plate in, our upper boards, and we'll just trim that across there, and then we can put the finished trim here. The most important thing when you're framing old windows is you've gotta, like, you know, push them out to make it level with your actual window. Make sure that this part does not exceed the width of your trim. Don't ask me how I know that. I always do the bottom, and then you're gonna come to the top and pull it out. It's more important that it's level and flush here than on the inside. Also, you wanna make sure your door opens and shuts. We already checked that. Or your window.
The window?
Yeah, it's gonna be tight, but it opens.
It's better that it's tight.
Yeah, because it'll loosen up over time.
kind of show you what I'm doing, I've got this big carrier beam, this truss here that runs all along the side here on the north hip. And I've got to tie this rafter in. I'm putting this 2x6 rafter, and it connects up here. I could have probably done 2x4, but I've got a bunch of 2x6s left over, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I've essentially got these rafter tails that poke up from down there on this truss, and they hang over, and I'm gonna connect to them and do a little cricket. The water runs off the hip, comes up and meets these, and shoots off into that corner into the gutter over there. So Harrington bailed on us. Not really, his birthday is after he leaves to college, but it's next week, so his buddies wanted to take him out and do something, so they went to a water hole with a swing and all this stuff, I don't know. Anyway, he's gone, and Jami is up here helping me get the rest of this off the roof. Shouldn't go too bad, but we waited until it was nice and cool in the evening, and apparently the neighbors are running a chainsaw. Watch out for that.
So we can't complain about the noise because we make a lot of noise all the time. It's been just over a year since we've owned this house. We want to share with you where we came from, what this house looked like on our initial inspection, and all the people that said, ugh, don't buy that house.
They were right, we probably shouldn't have.
A few changes along the way. We made some great improvements, opened things wide up, and built a huge addition. As always, thanks for your support. For the paint and products we use on all of our videos, you're gonna hit up JamiRayVintage.com. If you're interested in clothing or home decor, make sure you're hitting up JamiRayVintageHome.com. Both those websites help support us in our build and make more videos like this. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.